Quick test. Is 4/8 already correct? Or is it hiding a simpler truth? Many students stop too early when working with fractions. But mathematics always asks one more question. A fraction is in its simplest form. When the numerator and denominator cannot be divided by the same number anymore. Both 4 and 8 can be divided by 2. That gives us 2/4. But we are not done yet. 2 and 4 can still be divided by 2. So the simplest form is 1/2. Keep dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number until no further division is possible. Challenge time. Reduce 6/9. Pause the video and try. Divide both numbers by 3. The simplest form is 2/3. Next challenge. Is 10/20 already in simplest form? No. Divide both by 10. The simplest form is 1/2. If you stop too early, you don't get the final answer right. In the next lesson, I'll show you the fastest shortcut to know when a fraction is already simplified. Follow now.